When artificial intelligence threw me into the Azure River, yes, I was thrown into the Azure River, AZ-104, cold water, red-eyed crocodiles below, incidents, tickets, production pressure, one wrong click, and no safe ground to step back on. Scene 1, confusion. Every journey begins. Not with answers, but with confusion. Mr. X2 was worried. Not about exams, not about tools. Just one simple question. What should my LinkedIn headline be? Scene 2, the AI galaxy awakens. That thought didn't stay on Earth. It traveled beyond screens, beyond systems, beyond networks and noise, straight into the AI galaxy, where time slows and questions are heard. At the center stood Mr. ChatGPT, composed, steady, aware. Beside him stood Mr. Gemini from Google and Mr. Copilot from Microsoft, watching silently. The data streams paused, the lights dimmed, and on the glowing screen, one quiet line appeared. We have a learner seeking direction. There was no debate, no delay. The galaxy agreed, and in a gentle fold of light and code, Mr. X2 was invited in, not as an expert, not as a master, but as a learner, ready to be guided. Scene 3, the headline drop, suspense. The galaxy spoke. One line, no warning. Mr. X2, frozen with fear, looks up on the screen. A bold line appears. Azure Administrator, Azure Administrator, AZ-104. This is the headline the AI galaxy chose for me. For the LinkedIn headline, not to push, not to scare, but to show a direction. Not perfection, but preparation. Azure Administrator, AZ-104, Cloud Security, AZ-500 Concepts, Technical Documentation and Learning Design, and then short silence. Scene 4, fear. Here we meet Mr. X2, and we meet his fear. Mr. X2 freezes, eyes wide, breath slow. Azure Administrator straight into Microsoft Azure. No practice pool, no warm-up. Just a wide river, full of crocodiles. The river looks deeper than expected. Scene 5, courage moment. This is the moment when fear doesn't disappear, but courage quietly takes its place. Not loud, not dramatic, just a decision to move forward. Then he smiled. If I have to enter the river, why fear the crocodiles? I do labs. I write documentation. I learn every day. I may not know everything, but I know how to learn and how to protect mistakes. And on the screen, one quiet promise appeared. I will do it. Scene 6, the laughter. And then, something unexpected happened. The AI galaxy laughed, not mocking, not judging. They laughed because he was right. Scene 7, the reveal. Power scene. And then the truth was revealed. Not as pressure, not as a command, but as protection. Mr. ChatGPT smiled, not like a boss, but like someone who understands. We won't push you blindly, he said gently. We will safeguard you. and the galaxy shifted into a quiet image, a wide azure river, crocodiles below, production pressure, incidents, tickets, and then you appeared, wearing a life jacket, labs, documentation, GitHub, AI support, steady, prepared, not fearless. But protected the galaxy didn't throw him into the river. They handed him a life jacket. Scene 8, reality check. This is where stories stop, and reality speaks. Not harsh, just honest. No drama, just truth. No good manager expects you to be perfect. No real team fires someone for a single wrong click. Mistakes happen in real systems. What managers actually look for is responsibility. Someone who can say, I work with labs. I document what I do. I learn fast from feedback. I validate before I act. Because in real environments, awareness matters more than perfection, and preparation matters more than fear. Scene 9, calm ending. Pause here. This is real life. Mr. X2 didn't become fearless. He became prepared. Not perfect, not pretending, just ready to step into the river. With a life jacket on, final screen, quiet confidence, no noise, no rush, just clarity, just readiness, learning with clarity, growth without panic, from complexity to clarity. If the Azure Administrator river feels scary to you, if the idea of production systems, real clicks, and real responsibility makes you hesitate, you're not alone. This space exists for that exact moment. Here you'll find fear-free learning on Azure, RZ Google Cloud, DevOps networking, project management, and communication skills. Explained calmly, clearly, and with intention. Tell us what you want to learn next. Subscribe to stay guided. Like if clarity matters to you. Share with someone who needs confidence. And tap the bell so you never enter the river unprepared.